Hi everyone, welcome to PyLadiesCon 2025. My name is Mariatta. I'm the conference co-chair and it's really an honor to welcome you all to this conference. Our team has been working really hard in the last year to produce this event and we think it's a really great event to bring together our community and learn from each other and to be inspired from the stories shared by our members.
Hello everyone, my name is Maria Jose. I am co-chair of PyLadiesCon this year with Mariatta, and it's a pleasure to be here introducing what is PyLadies and what is PyLadiesCon. PyLadies is an international mentorship group with a focus on helping more women become active participants and leaders in the Python open source community. Our mission is to promote, educate, and advance a diverse Python community through outreach, education, conferences, events, and social gatherings. PyLadies also aims to provide a friendly support network for women and a bridge to the larger Python world. Anyone with an interest in Python is encouraged to participate.
The presence of PyLadies has made a meaningful impact on my journey in Python. It is through the PyLadies community that I found so many new friends, so many mentors and inspiration. And without PyLadies, I will not be able to be where I am today.
PyLadies inspire hope for a more inclusive world. Through safe spaces and open dialogue, this community fosters confidence and offers mentorship opportunities. And if you ask me personally, my journey from academia to industry was challenging, but the support that I received from PyLadies made all the difference.
And I'm sure everyone who attends this conference right now, you too have a special story about PyLadies and how PyLadies have impacted you. I recommend that you post now on Discord and share your own stories about PyLadies. This year is the third year of PyLadiesCon. If you are new to this whole thing, the way it works is that we have an entire weekend of engagement with our community members. And we have content in different languages, although most of them are in English, but we have talks and activities, workshops that are conducted in Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, French, and Chinese. So feel free to chat and discuss with each other using whatever language you're comfortable in.
This year, we have 7 amazing keynotes and 6 panels from all over the world, covering various topics related to our community from leadership, open source, AI, and career building. We have a total of 91 speakers with a huge range of diversity of topics that you will see. And we would love to say thank you to all of them for the time and for the proposals. We are so excited to host you today.
You will be interacting with our speakers, sponsors, and other attendees using Discord. And all of the workshops and sprints will be conducted on Discord as well. On Discord, you might notice that different people might have different icons next to their name based on their role. Check our documentation to learn more about what each of the icons mean. In PyLadiesCon, other than the talks and the panels and the keynote, we have other kinds of activities that you can participate in.
For example, we have a sprints this year that's gonna be happening on Sunday, and we are still open for new sprint projects. If you would love to lead a sprint, just feel free to access to the documentation to the sprint guide, or if you have any question, reach out to any organizer.
On Discord, we have many different channels for various purposes. Be sure to check out our sponsors' channels and all the different activities, resources, and networking channels.
Moreover, we have open spaces. What is an open space? Well, it's a more casual, not a structured session that you can host your own space to talk about topics that could be interesting for you. We recommend to check out our mini guide that we wrote to have a bit more knowledge about how these spaces work. But you're going to have a maximum of 1 hour to talk about any topic that you will love. Some of the ideas that we came up: new Python features, PyLadies experience exchange. What about mentoring or career growth or open source contributions or any other topic that you feel inspired and you want to inspire others?
And something brand new this year, we also have a job board where our sponsors have shared available job postings. Be sure to check our website to see their job listings.
Please also familiarize yourself with the PyLadiesCon Code of Conduct reporting guidelines. The short version is: be excellent to one other, be open, considerate, and respectful. If you notice something that seems off, please get in touch by emailing conference_conduct@pyladies.com. This email is monitored by our Code of Conduct Committee members. You can identify them by the special icon that is like this one. We would love to say thank you also to the different communities that send us videos that you will see during the conference, introducing their communities and what are they doing and how things work. Super interesting. We are honored to have the Outstanding PyLadies Award recipient among us at the conference. They have recorded a few short messages to greet our community members, and we will be sharing them with you during the conference. The Outstanding PyLady Award is meant to elevate diverse Pythonists doing amazing things, to highlight the achievements, and to thank them for all the work they have been contributed. We invite you to nominate outstanding PyLadies from your own community. We are very lucky to have Python core developers in the conference that are willing to answer your question on the Ask Core Dev channel. So you can ask them about their career path, their current tasks, their vision of the language, or even their favorite ice cream.
We encourage you to help and support our community by donating to the PyLadiesCon. You can still do that by going to our donation page. So far, we have raised more than $1,600. Our goal this year is $2,500. Can you help us reach this goal? We are really grateful to all of our sponsors this year. It's thanks to their sponsors that we are able to produce this inclusive and welcoming event. This year has been challenging for the Python community. You might have heard that the PSF has cut back on grants for communities like ours. However, thanks to the support from our sponsors, we raised more than $50,000 in sponsorship. This amount not only doubled from last year sponsorship, but is more than twice of sponsorships from the last 2 years combined. So thank you so much to our sponsors, especially our champion sponsor, Meta, and our supporter sponsors, Anaconda, Kraken Technologies, Google Open Source, Microsoft, and Optiver. Be sure to thank them on Discord and watch their talks. In addition, our sponsors have also contributed a few blog posts on our website. Be sure to join the workshops from our sponsors. These workshops are not recorded. The way you join is just show up on Discord in the specific time and participate. I would like to take a moment to thank the core organizing team of the PyLadiesCon. All of these people have volunteered so many hours in the last 6 months to produce this event. Thank you so much, Maria Jose, Georgie, Danny, Christian, Abigail, Na, and Vicky. And we also would like to say thank you to all the volunteers for all the hard work they've been doing for the conference. This year, we have so many volunteers who sign up to help out with the conference, and we actually received almost 150 volunteers who want to sign up and help out with our conference, all coming from all over the world. If you're curious to know more about the conference, We now have a dashboard that shows a lot of interesting statistics and data about the conference. This is live data that gets updated whenever we have new registrations or new donations that's coming in. You can check our stats, you can check our dashboard by going to our portal. We would appreciate your help in spreading the word about this conference. Feel free to post on social media and share pictures about PyLadiesCon using our conference hashtag PyLadiesCon. With that, let us now start the conference. We're really thrilled to have you with us for this entire weekend. Get ready to immerse yourself in an engaging program full of learning, networking, and inspiration. Let's make it all unforgettable.